How to fix keyboard not typing on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if your keyboard is not working or typing on your Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get into this video. For that, you have to open up Device Manager, click on the search bar, and in the search bar, type in Device Manager, open it up. Once you open up your device manager, head over to the keyboards and expand it. Then you have to right click on your keyboard. Then you have to click on uninstall device. After that, follow the on-screen instructions in order to uninstall your keyboard. After that, all you have to do is restart your PC and then your keyboard will be automatically installed back. So if you come back to device manager after you restart your PC, you will automatically find the keyboard being installed in your device. After that, your keyboard will work fine. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.